Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Excel Bytes with today's Excel Bytes tutorial. Today we're going to take a look at two very simple functions in Excel, ISODD and ISEVEN. But before we jump into that, please take a minute to subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you hit the bell icon so you will get a notice whenever I put out a new video. You can also find me at any of the social media sites you see here. So let's check out today's topic. So here I have a list of items in column H. Whole numbers, decimal numbers, odds, evens, and some text. And let's see what happens when we apply the ISODD or ISEVEN function. So in cell I3, I'll type equal ISODD, select the value in H4, close my parentheses, hit enter, and it tells me that the number 20 is it odd? No, I get a false reading there. If I copy that down, you'll see 11 is odd, so I get a true. With decimal numbers, ISODD only looks at the whole number, not the decimal number. So in this case, it's looking at the 2, which is even though the 0.7, the decimal number, is an odd number, I get a false. Anytime there's text, it's going to give a value error, and you can see the results for all the rest of the items there. And the opposite will occur with the ISEVEN function. Equals ISEVEN, select the value, close my parentheses, hit enter, and copy that down. And for the most part, I get the opposite results of the ISODD function, again, except where there is text, I get value errors. Now, what would be a practical application of this? Well, one possibility might be something like this. I'm going to select my whole range area here, conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula to determine which cells to format, and I'm going to type equals ISODD, parentheses, row, close my parentheses, format. I'm going to choose maybe a light blue. I'll say OK and OK. And Excel now has banded my rows or highlighted every other row where the row number is odd. You can do the same with the ISEVEN function. New rule, use a formula, equals ISEVEN, row, and again format, maybe I'll choose a light green here, say OK and OK, and now it banded all the even rows with a light green. And that's how you can do this in Excel.